Today marks the first day of Mental Health Awareness Month, with 1 in 5 Americans feeling the effects from different issues. To combat this, Montgomery County Sheriff Rob Streck and his team are coming together to help the community open up about their struggles. And John is sitting down with someone close to the campaign to ask questions about their Mental Health Mondays.
Yeah, thank you, Brooke. And a team member is joining us here on the couch. Criminal Justice Outreach Director Teresa Russell played a big part in getting this campaign off the ground. Welcome to 5 on 2, Teresa.
Oh, thank you.
Let's start with where did this idea of Mental Health Mondays, where did that come from?
You know, John, our county sheriff is certainly a champion when it comes to promoting treatment services here in our county. And as a member of the Montgomery County Drug-Free Coalition, the Mental Health and Addiction Subcommittee each year tries to sponsor something and assist the sheriff with getting word out on local resources, whether it be a resource fair or working with him on public service announcements or anything just to get information out to families who may need it for mental health awareness.
This is just one day of the week, but
right.
You guys see these issues day after day after day after day. What issues are you seeing on a day-to-day basis? And what does finding facilities and help allow you to do to combat them?
Well, you know, locally, I mean, for us, and I'm sure even nationally, we've seen an increase in calls for service for individuals with mental health issues post-COVID. So getting information out and encouraging people to start having difficult conversations now with family and friends, and not only saying, hey, let's have these conversations, but here's where supports and treatment services are, we hope would reduce those calls for service and help get people routed to the services that they need.
Well, and you're also going to social media for a lot of this too. We saw our first message posted to Facebook today about the campaign. Sheriff Streck also asking everyone, there you see it right there, to join him through the month. Teresa, what kind of topics can we expect the sheriff to dive into?
So today was basically the kickoff, and that's the call for action, asking residents to help him with breaking the stigma. But throughout the month, every Monday, there'll be a topic, whether it's centered on trauma-informed care, understanding that you're not alone if you have these issues, and there will even be a segment that focuses on our first responders and reminding them that they need to take care of their own mental health and emotional wellness.
You mentioned the stigma. It seems as though in many areas of society it's being destigmatized more and more each day. However, there are still a lot of areas, and we all see them, in which the stigma is real. How does speaking up about this help to combat it?
Well, you know, as a community, we've done an excellent job coming off the opioid epidemic, talking about addiction. Mm-hmm. And I think it's the reminder that oftentimes mental health and addiction issues go hand in hand. So having this reminder out there, and again, these are really difficult conversations to start. So just reminding people that, hey, there are supports available to help you, and these treatment resources, that's the key takeaway in doing this to help break that stigma.
We only have a few seconds left. How does the impact extend beyond those who are suffering through mental health issues? Well,
you know, as Brooke mentioned, 1 in 5 Americans struggle with mental health, and that's just 1 in 5. So there's also family and friends and coworkers, entire systems that need that support in order just to help the person or the people who are dealing with mental health. So, you know, this is a reminder every Monday, not just one day, but throughout the entire month, that here's where you can get that assistance and support.
It's a great way to start the work week and the school week as well. Teresa Russell, Criminal Justice Outreach Director with the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office. A lot of great stuff throughout the month with their Mental Health Monday campaign. And we'll be sure to have links to their posts and additional resources on our website under As Seen on 2 News. Thank you so much, Teresa.
Oh, thank you.